Hello, and today on Nerdy Turds, I am going to be doing trying to get the bird. Well, I'm just going to be trying to go to the bird, but I'm not going to make it there. Duh. So last time, what in the world? Okay, I literally saved. I guess I'll start at Hyrule Castle. I was there last time. Last time I was playing, I was here getting good weapons, and shields and all that stuff. But I saved at Gerudo Town. I literally saved at Gerudo Town. I don't know why I don't know why. It's putting me. It has to put me right here. Um. Hyrule Castle. Oh, leave area. Leave area. Leave this area. So I want to leave this area, and for those of you that haven't played Zelda, I don't want to spoil the castle, so I'm just gonna leave the area. Now I better get done quick because it just gives me to the start of the castle. Bruh. You didn't see it, okay? So what's this? Is this, yep, that's Gerudo Town. Wait, I actually gonna warp, down, where should I warp?
Maybe nowhere. Where are you?
Gerudo Town.
Isn't the bird up here?
Yeah, isn't the bird is up here, so I just need to, and right now I'm at the castle, where's the closest place?
No, over now. Yeah, there.
Okay, I'll just warp.
No.
I'll just warp over here because I think this is probably the best place to go to the bird, okay?
No, it isn't.
Hey. Well, I see. If it gets too hot, I'll warp somewhere else. But I shouldn't have to worry about that. Know why? Because while I was at the castle, guess what I got? While I was at the castle, oh my gosh, Linky, okay, while I was at the castle, I got this. Look, check it that. Oh, also that. Check it out. Isn't I got a bunch of good stuff there. And also, I see this, I got this, Royal Guard uniform. And so I'm just gonna disequip, remove, until Link is in his undies. And now when I put this on, like it? Look at him. He looks so dorky. So I'm probably gonna play the rest of Zelda in this thing. Okay, because I'm done with dressing up as someone. So I need to warp somewhere else, like over here or something. I warp right here. I warped over here, but my brother was getting kind of mad at me, literally silently mad. And he said to warp over here. So yeah, so I'm gonna go over here, okay? Oh no, I think there's a bokoblin in my room. So, is this the one close to the castle? No, it's not. Okay, this was the one when I was trying to get to the bird, but it just didn't work out.
Go to the stable to get a horsey.
Yeah. So the bird, I know the bird is, so if the camel's right here, then it's up here. So, what? Okay. Oh yeah, it's up from the camel. Okay, and the camel's right there. Why do you want me to go to my map? I know, it's right here. I'm going...
Marker.
Huh?
It's on a marker.
Oh, marker. You want a marker up here? Well, know what I could do? I could just get a little bit closer and then put a marker exactly there. Smart. Nope. Oh, my. Okay, no, actually, okay, fine. I'll put a marker there. Dude, you don't have to yank the controller out of my hands. Right there. Green's my favorite color. And, oh yeah, yellow's my favorite color. I forgot. I don't know. I don't have a favorite color. I don't have a favorite color. There's a little guy right here that I'm gonna take out real quick. I'll get an ice arrow or something. And then, let's see. So, oh! Do you see me? No? Okay, good. Hey, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna try to drop this rock on the wizard. Oopsies! I dropped it! I dropped it! Not on purpose. Don't worry, guys. It was not on purpose. So right here is ice arrows, and I gotta tell you that ice arrows take these wizards out in one hit. Look. See? See? He's gone! Aw. What should I get rid of? Which one should I ditch? Nothing? Okay, I'm gonna ditch nothing. I really wanted to ditch something today. But I guess I hope I find another weapon to ditch.
Well, you already ditched an important part.
Oh yeah, yeah. My Kaden said I already ditched an important part, and it was not an important part because actually, oh yeah, I'm heading away from my mark. I'm so stupid, right, guys?
No.
Well, I was just not looking at my map. I thought I was gonna head to the camel. So I forgot what I was gonna say. To make me very bad, I'm going to remove everything I have. Know why? Know why I'm gonna remove everything I have? So I die. Well, actually, not so I die. Mostly because I wanna my shield. I wanna be able to admire Link's Link. Yeah, Link. I want to be able to admire Link. Look at that. And for one thing, he can climb faster. Let's see. Look at them. Look at that guy go. He can run faster. So. What? Oh, it just said climb down. Oh. Nah.
Almost gave me a heart attack.
It almost gave Daddy a heart attack when I left the Hardy Radish. Why is this like Stacy? Nah. look, there's gonna be a shrine up here. That's called Swinging Something. Okay, so I might want to try to do that this episode. It's called Swinging Something. I like what it's about.
It's going to be more interesting than walking.
So where is? Look at this mountain. Man, I tell you, this mountain. Mmm. Look at that. It's a wall of flowers. You see all those flowers? First I'm gonna get this one. What is it? Oh, isn't it like a restroom? I am in a hurry, so I need one of these. Oh, come on. I can kind of say that the restrooms look a little bit bigger than Link. Look at the restroom, then look at Link. Now look at them both. I think that Link is smaller than the restroom.
So how can he fit it in his pocket?
Oh yeah, wow, how can it fit in his pocket? Look at all this stuff that's bigger than him. Oh wait, no, not that stuff. Look at this. How can he fit that in his pocket? That. It's just a video game.
Magic.
Video games don't have magic. They're just video games. Oopsies. Oopsies. Aw, I missed so much. I don't care. More. There's more over there, but I don't care. I don't need restrooms.
Equip your stone crusher and break that stone for luminous stone.
Okay, fine. So I guess I'll equip one weapon. Luminous stones. So luminous. Why are these things? Wait, what? There's more of them. That's kind of weird. Well, I'll go back to this bird. What's Crusher? Oh, what? Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Just remove it.
Oh no! What? But look at this! Look, every weapon is metal. Come on! I didn't know that Stone Crusher was metal. I thought my suit was metal. No, Link. What will I do? Okay, I made it out without climbing. Why are there so much rocks everywhere? The world is filled with wonder. Oh, come on, now I don't have a weapon to break this. Ah!
Where did that?
Things just keep getting worse. Jeez! Who's responsible for this? Yikes. Ooh, acorns! Oh. Why are there carrots everywhere? I'm gonna eat some nuts. Where are my nuts? Where are my nuts?
Down one. Go.
What? Where are my nuts?
Down one.
Down! My nuts! What happened? Oh, there are my nuts. Phew, I thought I lost them.
Really did.
They're not good for anything else. A shrine! Oh baby, it's a shrine!
And then there's also some leaves.
Look, some leaves.
Mog Latin shrine.
I'm gonna do this shrine, okay, guys? I'm gonna try to get spirit orbs, and I know it's and I like doing shrines, so I'm gonna what is it?
You don't
Oh,
have
I don't-
a bow. And you need to equip fire arrows. Steel Laza. And then fire arrows.
Fire,
Before you die.
huh?
Before you die.
Oh my gosh!
Wait, won't the rain just...
Oh, I wasted
It's
it.
just a, hero.
And I'm gonna start to be doing shrines in my episodes because I don't know. I like doing shrines, recording, even though I've never done it. So which one's this? Oh yeah, the swinging one. Let's see. Oh no,
Sinist swing.
Sinist swing. Oh gosh. Oh no.
Those are metal. But I have to jump for it. You have to jump.
I pushed X. I pushed X. Literally, I pushed X. Oh come on. Oh gosh. Okay, if I can get past this first part, I'll be fine. No! I'll die soon. I need to eat something. How about some cold resistant stuff? No, we're gonna need that. How about this? No, it has stamina. How about this omelet? An omelet! Link needs an omelet. Oh, come
You
on.
can't jump for that.
Yeah, I can't. What should I do?
Give the controller to me.
Okay, I'll give it to Caden. I'll give the controller to Caden. Dude, you cannot magnesis if you're on your...
Oh, looks like I'm stranded then.
You're stranded. Ah! Okay, let's just... I hope we just, like... I hope this shrine just reset... Nope. Just, like, resets or something. Oh, gosh. Give it to me. Give it to me. Nah! Dude, I can do it, probably. This is a hard shrine. Hey, Caden, give it back to me. Caden.
Okay, I just got you the perfect thing. Don't die.
Wait, what? How did I die? No.
Because I could have beat.
Oh, no, you couldn't have. No, you couldn't have.
Yes, I could have.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Wait, what? How much lives am I at? What life am I at?
Well, maybe you should give it to me.
Okay, I'll let you get past those 2 parts, okay? Oh my gosh, why is this thing so hard?
It's not.
It's not hard? Is that what you said? It wasn't hard? Huh? Is that what you said? Oh yeah, eat that omelet again. Eat the omelet. See, we have the omelet again. Eat it. Eat the omelet. Oh. Dude. Dude, seriously? Oh, you almost fell. Uh-oh, you almost fell. I'll let you get past this part, but then I'm gonna do it. Dude, that was a bad time. Jump right here, then here. Dude, go like, I don't know, go like, jump. Now, wait, are you past that part? Again, you're past the part. Stop. Stop. Okay, here.
But you need arrows for that.
I don't know.
Regular arrows and not fire arrows or something. Now you need a bow.
Okay. How about this one?
No. Get the chest.
Okay, I'll get the chest. What's it? What's in this chest?
Don't need that.
Okay. I like the Force Dwellers things.
Me too, but they just don't. They're not really that good.
Really?
Oh no, you're gonna for sure die on this. So get an extra heart.
Okay.
Something like that omelet.
Okay, I'll eat the omelet. Nick always wants omelets, right?
Yep. Why do I have the slightest feeling you're gonna die here?
Aha, because I am gonna die here.
We're just gonna be here forever?
No, not forever. Dude, quit following me.
Then get that chest again.
No, I'm not getting in that chest.
Why? Here, I'll get the chest and I won't.
Dude, no, I'm not. I do not want to risk it. Look how far we've got.
Just gotta take like one step closer. Now quickly jump on it. No, walk on it. Because it's gonna go. Like that.
What happened? Should we even upload this video? Okay, we're gonna upload this video. I guess. No, you do not see that. No. Phew.
I'm not going to the chest.
Phew. Walk the plank. Give it to me. Dude, give it to me. I want to walk the plank. Wait, I wanted to walk the plank.
No, hit that with a nail.
Okay. Well, I got 5 arrows. I'm good.
Dude.
Dude, why won't it open? Oh, it opened. It opened. So now we're gonna keep heading to the bird. A symbol of courage. You're so nice. You know that, man? Yep. See, the guy to smile upon you. See, isn't that guy really nice? That guy's really nice. What's coming? Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm recording this on a computer and the computer literally almost fell off. I'm gonna shoot the bird, okay? Anybody that doesn't want me to shoot the bird, just don't look, because I'm gonna shoot it. I just shot the bird. It was like right next to me. I'm gonna get this. Right there. Yo! This small seed was given to you by a cork. It has a decent smell. If you gather a bunch of them, you never know what may happen. Okay. Goodbye! Wait, watch this. Yeah. So I'm heading. Oh, I was heading literally the opposite direction. So we just got done with that shrine, which took a little bit. But are we dead? No. Oh no. Actually, we are. But ooh, look at this. Is this a silent princess? I think. Is it a silent princess? I think it's a. Yes, it's a silent princess. I don't know why I want a silent princess. It's just my princess. My princess just talks a lot. That's why I want a silent princess. Wait 1 second, guys. Wait 1 second, guys. Okay. So this is a place. Oh, look, a flower.
Up on that rock. Not that. The other one.
What rock? I don't see it.
Behind you. No.
You said behind me. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh, there. Hey, I thought I checked up there. There's a lot of korok seeds on this mountain.
And a lot of birds. Crows, to be exact. You're not shooting.
Yeah, I am. Dang it. So the bird is right.
where you're facing.
Okay.
Go to the green pin.
Yeah, but the video's 30 minutes.
This makes me want to play it.
Dude, I don't care about the rocks. Okay, I actually do. No, I don't. I don't, but Caden would kill me if I didn't, so I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you.
Oops! I just broke the rocks. So, oh no.
The bird's over there.
I don't know. But I wanted to maybe do that or something. That place where it's always rainy and thundery. I might want to do that sometime. I'll put a pin there. I'll put a pin there just to know, so I'll do that sometime soon. I really want to do that. So we will do that. Don't worry. Don't you worry. But I am gonna head to the bird. See right there? Well, this episode was just getting to the bird, and that's it. So I'm probably just gonna end it with Link fluttering. Okay? Or maybe just a little close up as the bird. Okay? So oh no, my stamina's low. Look at that. What should I do? Nope, that's taking stamina. Well, that's where we'll end today's episode with Link dying. You're making that beautiful music. Okay? So, bye-bye. I just want to see where it starts me. Okay? I'm going to stay where it starts me. Please, 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 please. Okay, it's a little bit good. Well,